and Spice, and today is Wig Crush Wednesday. So y'all already know every Wednesday I'm going to be coming with a new video posted around like between 6 and 7 p.m. maybe 6 and 8 p.m. I'll be coming with a new video for you guys about all the wigs that I am in love with or new wigs that I am trying and things like that. So tune in every Wednesday between 6 and 8 o'clock to check out the new wigs that I will be posting. For all my new people, hi, how y'all doing? Welcome to my channel. Why don't y'all go ahead and subscribe real quick and go ahead and hit that little bell down there so y'all can get all of my notifications. And all my old people, if you haven't subscribed, stop what you're doing right now and go subscribe. Let's get into the video. All right, so today's feature wig is from Jessica Hair. So I've never ordered from this company before, and I wanted to try like a nice human hair wig because I never ordered a human hair wig off of Amazon. So yes, this will be a human hair wig review for y'all. I always order synthetic wigs just because I'm always on the go, but I'm like, I'm getting tired of spending like $20, $30 on a wig every like 2 weeks. Let's invest in something that can last a long time. So this is said to last like a really long time, like over a year if you take care of her right. She has a Facebook listing on here. She has WhatsApp. She has Instagram on there. She has her email address, and then she has the website where you can get the hair from. So the hair is not in this box because I had took it, I tweaked it out really good. The wig, I tweaked it really good, did my baby hairs, I washed her, conditioned her, bleached the knots, everything, which will be on a separate video that will also be posted later on either tonight or tomorrow. Normally the hair would come in this package. Okay, you get this package, and also inside the box she gives you some nail filers, and they're pink, so that's cute. You get it looks like it's an extra band here, maybe if you want to put it around your wig. Oh, it's a headband. Yeah, it's an extra band if you want to put it on your wig, and you can just kind of like sew it on there or whatever to make your hair tighter. You get the after sale service card that kind of lists the ways that you can contact her. She also throws in here a wig cap. So that's what comes in the box, including the hair. I will tell you guys, some washing and conditioning this hair, it is bomb.com. Like, she is bomb. The curl pattern is beautiful. It came like this, naturally curled anyways. I didn't dye it or anything, but I did bleach the knots already. She just is really bomb, and she's still kind of wet, so I'll show you guys how she looks. You can run your fingers like right through it. I'm getting no shedding at all. Like, it's so soft and so pretty. So this is how the wig cap is constructed on the inside. You have a comb here, and the comb here at the top. So you have 4 combs. It does not have the straps on there. Oh, yes, it does. Hi, hey, sister. Okay, it does have the adjustable straps on there as well. And ladies, this is a 360 lace. So basically, you have a lace that goes all the way around the hairline here, which I had already cut. So, you know, it was like your standard, you know, lace and whatever. So I had already cut that, and it's so soft and so pretty. I think this wig costed me like $150 or like $105. I'll put over here how much the wig costs and which wig it is that I ordered off of Amazon. It is 150 density if I'm not mistaken. She is so pretty. Do you guys see her? She is so oh well. Wait, let's put her back on here because I want to show y'all the baby hairs that I did. But she is so bomb and so pretty. And this is her kind of still wet a little bit. Okay, so these are the baby hairs that I did, and I did already cut my lace. So those are the baby hairs, and I did cut my lace around there, and I also bleached the knots already, so I can show you guys a little bit how the knots look. So that's how that looks. Anyways, I am going to go, and I have not put her on yet. So I'm super excited to see, because this is my first time doing the whole baby hair thing and cutting the lace the perfect way. You guys have to watch the other video to really see in depth about what I did. But I'm going to go put this wig on, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks. Before I go, while I'm gone, why don't y'all go subscribe real quick, because I'm gonna be gone for a few seconds. So go subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, okay? Okay, so I came back just in case you guys wanted to know how I'm about to lay this lace. This is my first time doing it with the baby hairs already done that I did, so we'll see. So I already took my Got to Be glue and applied this on my hairline here. I'm just waiting for it to get like a little bit tacky. If you don't want to wait, go ahead and get your blow dryer out and blow dry it. So I'm gonna do that. Put it from ear to ear because this is a 360 wig, so you can put it up and style it however you want. And I'm just going to push the lace down where I have the glue at. Okay, I'm just gonna get my comb and just kind of push it down really good on here. And that should be pushed down pretty good. I think I did good on my baby hair, sis. They look bomb as hell. Okay, I'm just gonna check for any spots that's like sticking up, because we're gonna have to, you know, add some more glue. So like here, I'm just gonna put some more glue right there. Now I'm gonna glue down the back of the lace back there, because it is a 360 lace. So as you guys can see, this is the lace here. So I'm just gonna take my glue and put it on the back of my neck. Okay, and then I'm gonna put a second layer there. And let's pull. And right here, I'm just gonna take my comb and kind of press it into the lace so I can make sure that it's sticking down really good, just like I did my front. And now I'm just gonna use my fingers and press it down. It's kind of hard doing this, guys, without actually like a mirror or like something. So hopefully it's looking right back there. So I'm just continuing to press it down with the comb and with my fingers. Okay, that looks good. Now I'm gonna take a scarf and tie it around so that my baby hairs and the lace in the front can lay down, as well as the lace going all around. So yeah, that's it. So I'll probably let this sit for about 15 or 20 minutes and check and see how my baby hairs look after that. This is how the wig looks once I put her on, and I already did the hairline, so it should look natural looking. So that's how my baby hair and everything looks. This is how the hair looks when it is wet. I mean, it is freaking gorgeous. Like, look at this. Can y'all see that? It's so, so, so pretty. So this is how the hair looks in the back. So this hair is super, super, super duper gorgeous, y'all. I mean, this hair is bomb as hell. Jessica, if that's your name, girl, you did your thing. Also have a part here, if you guys can see, and I did bleach my knots, so the part looks natural. Put it on this side. If you do a middle part, I mean a side part, you can part her anywhere and get a really nice part, or if you're like a middle part type of girl, whatever. I think this hair is super, super gorgeous. I think it's beautiful. So soft, and oh my God, I think this is my favorite hair. I mean, this hair is like so soft and so pretty. I just can't stop running my fingers through it. It's so nice. Shipping was very fast because it was an Amazon order, so it did come in 2 days, I believe, with Amazon Prime. I don't know. I mean, this is like really bomb. Like I might have to leave like an Amazon review because this hair is just beautiful. The wig itself is just really, really gorgeous. The hair is really soft. The texture, like I said, is amazing. I have not gotten no shedding whatsoever. The curl pattern is beautiful. When it wets, it's beautiful. Even when it dried, it looked so cute. You guys can kind of see it drying now. I think like if you put some mousse in it or something like that, you'll be able to achieve and keep that wet and wavy look. If that's the type of look that you want to do all day. I'll take pictures if I do that type of look. I love the fact that it's 360, meaning that you can pretty much wear it up, down. I mean, you can do numerous styles with this hair. Like, it's a lot of styles that you can do with this hair. So I'm really excited to wear this hair for a while now. You can keep it for, I think, longer than a year if you take care of it really good. So that's my plan. I mean, this is like my go-to hair now. You don't even have to take this wig off, really. You can just sleep in this wig too if you know, lay the hairs down right and do everything right and get some good glue to hold it down. But yeah, I mean, I really, really love this hair, you guys. I can't complain about anything at all. What I will tell you guys is make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up. What else can I tell y'all about it? I already turned around, so y'all see in the back. You can see it's starting to dry now. So you can see the poofiness is getting, which I love poofiness anyway, so it doesn't bother me. I mean, everything is just amazing about this hair. Like, honey, it's just bomb.com. So make sure you guys check out my next video. It will be about how I bleach the knots, wash the hair, condition the hair, pluck the hair lining, and everything like that to get like a natural hair lining and stuff. Is there anything else I want to tell you guys? That video will be up really soon. I think that's it. I really love this hair. Shout out to Jessica Hair. It's dope. I'm going to be posting a lot more pictures for you guys to take a look at. I really enjoyed doing this video. Don't forget to tune in next week for Wig Crush Wednesday so we can do another wig review. If you guys have any wigs that you want me to try, leave it down in the description box so that I can go and, you know, if I can get my hands on them, I'll be trying them. This video was not sponsored. This hair was not sent to me. I paid for this hair with my own money. And I am happy that I did that, sis, because this wig is bomb.com. But anyway, Spice Girls and Spice Guys, thank you for watching my video. I will see you guys next week. Bye.